Hi, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. We will show you the D722 engine parts. Now, let's take a look at the individual components that the kit includes. The piston is made of high-quality materials to withstand the high pressure of the combustion process, ensuring smooth transmission of power to the crankshaft. This is the cylinder liner, made of high-quality material and wear-resistant coating technology, effective sealing and reduced wear. The piston ring is mainly used to seal the cylinder, to prevent gas leakage and oil from entering the combustion chamber. The full gasket set, each gasket and seal is made of high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting durability and no leaks. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.